If you're tired of your filament looking like a mess like my area has been, this is a great organization system to keep everything in place. I was given this product to review by the company, and it's done a really great job of being able to keep everything contained and nice and organized. You get 12 of these vacuum sealed bags right here, and these vacuum sealed bags have a seal sticker that you just pop off, use the vacuum that comes with it, suck out all the air, and then seal your filament right inside the bag. This is great for when you get a bag of filament and it rips and breaks and you either have to use it or find a way to store it. So this is a great way to do that. You just use the vacuum sealed bags that it comes with, throw it in there. You don't even have to take it out of this bag completely. Just keep the desiccant that it comes with, put it in the bag, and then seal it up. Now it also comes with a vacuum sealer too as well, and you don't necessarily have to use this. I chose to use it just because it was easy and accessible, but you can use a regular vacuum too if you wanted to. If you already have a vacuum on hand, just put it right on the seal and it will close it right up. But this is just charged with a USB-C to a USB-A. I mean, it's really easy to use. I like the cases that it comes with. They're really easy to move around and you can stack them on top of one another. So if you've got a lot of filament, this is a really great way to stack everything and keep it organized. That, and you also can write on the side here. So that way you can keep track of what's in each case. Inside of the case, you don't have to just store the filament inside these bags. You can actually store your vacuum, but then also store any extra filament spools, filament refills, and both cardboard and regular filament spools in here as well with the filament already on there. You can store about 6 different filaments in here. So I've got a bunch in this one with a couple extra reels. And then on the bottom here, I've got some PETG still in the box. And then I've got 4 more in here as well. So you can store 12 rolls with the 12 bags that come in here, or you can just store it like you would normally. I really like this a lot. This is a great way of keeping everything contained. You can put all of your filament in one area, stack it up, other handles along the side, make it really easy to carry everything around. The zippers just easily open up so you can put your filament in, take it out and use it. You can still read what type of filament you have on there just from the side here because it is clear. So I mean, this is a no-brainer if you're looking for a way to easily store your filament and kind of keep your mess or keep everything more contained. So I would definitely say check this out.